What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here at Sam's Town's Hotel and Gambling Hall in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the parking is free and there's a valet parking as well. This is the public parking, so you can park your car outside. See, it can accommodate lots of cars around here. It's a very nice place to hang out. You'll see the Sam's Town inside. I'll show you guys once we already inside the Sam's Town. Right now we're walking and heading to Sam's Town's entrance door. This is our first time to go to Sam's Town, even though that we live closer to this area, and there's security patrol. There's a helicopter up there. There's a security patrol to that side. And that's the entrance door. As you see, Sanctuary. See the beautiful lights. Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling Hall. And that's the entrance door. The entrance door. And we're gonna heading right now to the entrance door of this casino. First time that we get here. That's what I said a while ago, that we live closer to this area because I live in the southeast area, Las Vegas, Nevada, in exclusive subdivision. Oh, they have a train. Yeah, old train here. Look at that, there's an old train. And there's a train track. That's a train right there. It's the entrance door. Go get in. Ate, get in. So this is the entrance door of the casino. Oh, somebody scattered popcorn on the floor. This is what it looks like inside. And there's some machine. You can see a beautiful machine. Somebody scattered the popcorn on the ground. See all the machine up there. This is the casino. Probably taking our dinner here. We came here just to look at this casino. So there's a Dunkin' Donut up here. There's a Subway as well. There's some small restaurant that you can buy food, taking your lunch. So we're heading to the far side. So this is the hotel check-in, food court, gift shop, park and restaurant. See, this is a beautiful town. Look at the Sam's Town. Look how beautiful this. They created a huge design like a Sam's mercantile. That look at that. This is the Mystic Paul Park, and that's the restaurant.
Santa Claus is there.
There's a big Christmas tree. There's a Santa Claus. There's a Santa Claus inside.
Ate, come here. Come here with Jacob. Here. No, wait, you're not going down here.
That's my
To the
boys,
other
my
side.
children.
To the other side. Anya, don't touch him, please. Anya. 1, 2, 3, smile.
I've had the